Welcome back to Blue Zone Homestead. I am taking these covers off. The other side of this tunnel, what we've built, I put peas ages ago and the pigeons demolished it. But now I've covered it up, it's slowly getting back to life. So what I've done on the other side of the tunnel, I cleared it, put a bit of homemade compost down, and we are going to put plant peas out on this side of the tunnel as well. It is 8th of May today. It's a beautiful day. I am in all day. So let's have a look around and plan what we are going to do today. I think we need to harvest the asparagus. I'm getting a bit tall now. I'm sure we can have a nice harvest here. The bed where I've put the parsnip, radishes, carrot and beetroot. The beetroot is up. The carrot is not up. This carrot I've just planted out, what I sowed ages ago as an experiment in a pot. So I've put them in, see what's happened. But where the carrot is now, actually that's where all the carrot seed is. But it's nothing happening, so just have to wait and see. Put some parsnip and radishes here. Let's see the brassica cage. Oh dear. Morning, Willow! You okay? You okay? Good boy. Okay, let's go. Right. So that's how we're looking at the minute. Like a sieve. So slugs particularly love cauliflower. So that's the one what we sowed first. That's the one what we sowed planted out. That's been eaten. All this has been eaten. That's snapped, so that's kaput. So basically we're down to one. Out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out of 10 cauliflower, we're down to 2. I need to have a plan C, friends. It's not looking good. Kohlrabi. We might have a few kohlrabi in here. But that's the second cabbages we planted out. That is now being half eaten. Yeah, slug is a huge issue for me this year. Massive. And this is the most crucial time. And the baby plants, you know, these young plants, they demolish them within a few days, unfortunately. I'm giving you something. Let's give him some. He likes parsnip green. Come on then. Come on. Good morning. There's a big heron over there. Going for breakfast as well. Just landing by the pond. My sweet boy. My sweet boy. Nothing gets wasted here. That's a treat. Let's have a look. The Alan's greenhouse. Because one of our main job today is to plant out the peas. The remaining peas, friends. Let me show you. So these one now coming to flower, and this is the Meteor. This is the same variety what we've already got planted out there. So on the other side of that fence we're going to plant these out. Also I want to plant all out. What variety is this? That's a sugar bun, sugar snap pea. So we might put the sugar snap pea there as well with the Meteor. And what's this? This must be the telephone variety. Yeah. And probably we're gonna squeeze all that and I'm gonna cover it because now I'm scared to put them around the hoop where I wanted to actually experiment with it, but I think the pigeon would just eat it. Look, the kohlrabi and the cauliflower looking amazing here. So what I'm gonna do, I know it will get warm in here, but because it's no slug damage in here. Morning, sweetheart. Morning, my sweet doggy. Hello, Johnny. Good morning. You had your breakfast? Yeah, good girl. So we still got some plants in here, and I've still got a few more cauliflower left, and I really don't want to risk it to put it to the brassica cage. So I think these few cauliflowers, well actually only one, because these are cabbages now. Oh friends, never mind. I probably am gonna plant them, I'm gonna squeeze them here. Because these, like I've already put one kohlrabi here, so I might put between each tomatoes, I might stick another brassica in and see how it goes. Because these tomatoes now will grow very quick the next couple of weeks. So this needs watering, it's a bit dry up there. All these needs planting out. That's a purple sprouting broccoli for next year. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Either in the front or where with a little space, I'm gonna stick one brassica in here. Also, I've got the sweet peas. So might as well put the sweet peas out as well today. This will smell gorgeous. This is my own saved seed from last year. And this will look really good. And I like walking through the tunnel and smelling all these lovely sweet peas. Let's open up the rest of the greenhouses and the polytunnel. Having my coffee. And the waiting station again. All these plants needs to go somewhere. So the zinnia I would like to plant to the garden. And all these, we need to make a bed. So today or tomorrow we need to plant the celery out as well. What's the celery? Yeah, the blush. And this as well. So they need to go out now desperately. And I think this is a mint. No, what is it? Oh, the snapdragon. Yeah, the snapdragon needs to go out. That's the mint, the peppermint. Yeah, we're gonna put the mint in pots. We've learned that hard way, haven't we? Oh, look, the spinach is gone to seed. So, all these flowers as well. And these lettuces, the Lolla Rossa, looking fantastic. Absolutely amazing. Cornflower, it's gonna be in flower soon. That needs to go out. So yeah, that's on the list for today as well. Okay, the cosmos now in flower. Our seashell, our beautiful seashell cosmos. Love it. And hyssop is doing well. Straw flower, it's doubled in size. Wow. And these, that, oh my gosh, that really need to go out. This dahlia will desperately need to go out now. We grow all these from seed this year, and I'm impressed that cosmos is now would be a perfect size. If I would know we have no more frost, but I'm not sure what to do, friends. eau de verbena as well, and Amy, lemon mint, chamomile, all the nasturtium. Wow. Acacia. Right. The cucumbers and gherkins are looking good. And I definitely cannot put these out till June. So they just have to hang on here. And the crimson basil. Looking fantastic. It smells like summer, friends. Oh, I love it. And the tomatoes. You know, when I just smell this and the basil, I just think about the crusty bread with tomato soup. And pizza. Right, all these are, I'm giving all this away, remember? So please, please, please come and get it. Oh, what's this? That's some cabbage. Wow, I knew it that I forgot some beans. the She Grows veg, I thought, I'm sure that germinated as well, the sunset beans. So yeah, we're gonna plant these out as well. I'm just gonna give this some water, it's a bit dry. But yeah, so far so good. Want some more water, sweetie? Let me clean that. There you go. It's a pretty greenhouse. I mean, this jungle really needs some serious attention, friends. Because all these peppers and chilies need potting on. So when I mean need potting on, they're gonna have a huge home. So they're gonna go from this side pot to a huge castle, friends. And that's gonna be a bit of a hard work, but they are getting now flower buds. Some of them are very close to open. So yeah, it's all happening. Sweet pea looking good. We need to put on some more sweet peas as well. Melons are looking good. So that's good. This little melon, don't know what's going on in here, it's already in flower. Wow. And the lemongrass needs separating and potting on. And let me just show you this aphid damage. What the aphid do for the pepper plant. This is the very chilly Christian yellow. And when this gets out of control, it literally shrivels up and just disappear. So all these up there are affected, and they're supposed to look like this. And it's taking over. I really need to come out and can you see all the aphids there? That's really bad, friends. Oh dear. Oh God, these tomatoes. Wow. It was a mild night. 12 degrees Celsius, the lowest. Now it's 22. Right. Next couple of days, I probably do the peas today and see how far we get. Definitely the peas need to go out, and the sweet peas. And then tomorrow I probably gonna do the May garden tour. So we're just gonna walk around and see how everything's doing. And also this week I really need to get few days to the tunnel as well, show you what we need to do here. So we still got radishes going. The nasturtium is now taking over the bed, and it's all filled up, friends. And these are supposed to be not these plants this year, but these are still my winter crops, spring crops, and the summer crop is now so ready to come out. But the irrigation, the watering system. We're planning to have this for the tomatoes for the summer, and it's only one bed done so far. We need to do this to all the beds. Look at this ginger mint, friends. Years and years ago, I've made the mistake to plant one here and I just cannot get rid of it. So if you would like some ginger mint, I mean, smells gorgeous. So we need to put, probably this is gonna be the next bed where we put the irrigation, and then when we slowly clearing out, probably where the celery is, that can be the third one, because I just cleared this celery out. Now this will go to the animals, or we might freeze dry some if we can, but we got the new celery to come out as well. Look at this lemon balm jungle, and I'm hoping that we can harvest some cabbages before we plant. I'm not sure if it's a cucumber is gonna be here or still tomatoes, but I know one of the bed in here is going to be sweet potatoes, one is gonna be the gourd, so it's gonna be the loofah, gherkins, cucumbers, I think. I have to have a look at my plan. And the rest is gonna be tomatoes mainly, and the companion plants, so all the flowers with it, marigolds, nasturtium, calendula, and the herbs, you know, parsley, basil. So yeah, it's good. Hi Lucy! Hello my sweet girl! You okay? You okay my sweetie? Hello my two little monkeys. They love each other really, aren't you? Give a kissy. Give each other a kissy. I'm going to start to plant out the metal pea. So that's what we've got on a hole along on the other side of that tunnel. So I'm just gonna start from the end, and we're going to come back this way. Next one I'm going to plant out is telephone pea. So we're gonna do the next lot, the middle tunnel. The last one, what goes on the last bit of that panel, is the sugar snap, sugar bun, snap pea. So let's do that next. Okay, both sides of the tunnel, the pea tunnel, is now done. I'm just going to cover it back up now, and job is done. The next job is to plant out the sweet peas from our own saved seed. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to plant this out where the bean arch is. So we're gonna use up those two areas inside the tunnel where it's still empty to put the sweet peas in. I still got one left, so I'm going to put this in that middle with these runner beans. Right, another huge job is done. The next one is going to be the big May garden tour. Thank you so much for spending time with me and see you very soon. Bye friends!